the greatest benefits of living at North Towers is just how central you are to campus. Shops, restaurants, ASU store, lectures and so much more just outside my door. Not only are all bills covered, but free weekday breakfast is now included in most North Tower accommodation contracts, meaning I can save money on my food shop too.
The views you get in the North Towers are unbeatable, and the big window in the kitchen really lets in the light and is a nice spot to start the day. It's quite great for socializing and making friends. I enjoy having a room for my own because I can make it feel more like home. If you're looking for accommodation that is cost effective, sociable and central as well, then North Towers is for you.